This is lecture 2 of module 1, and in this lecture we will discuss about the geometric increase method. Geometry increase method, it is also called a uniform increase method. And in this method, in case of arithmetic increase method, the assumption is the rate of change of population with respect to time equal to constant. Similarly, in geometry increase method, the per decade percentage increase or percentage growth rate R is assumed to be constant, and the increase is compounded over the existing population every decade. And the basic difference between arithmetic and geometry progression methods of forecasting future population is that in case of arithmetic increase method, no compounding is done, but in geometric increase method, compounding is done every decade. Then the population after n decade is calculated by using the equation Pn is equal to P0 into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n, where P0 is the last known census population, or the assumed growth rate, n number of decades between now and future. Then the assumed growth rate R can be computed in several ways from the past known population data. One method is to compute R as R equal to teeth root of P2 by P1 minus 1, where P1 is the initial known population, P2 final known population, T number of decades between P1 and P2. അപ്പോൾ R കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ ഒരു മെത്തേഡാണ് ഇത്, ടീത്ത് റൂട്ട് ഓഫ് P2 by P1 മൈനസ് 1. അതിൽ ഈ R എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ രണ്ട് പോപ്പുലേഷൻ മാത്രമേ, 2 വർഷത്തെ പോപ്പുലേഷൻ മാത്രമേ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളൂ എങ്കിലാണ് ഈ ഇക്വേഷൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ. Then the other method to determine R is to compute the average of the percentage growth rates of the several known decades of the past. Then the growth rate equal to increase in population divided by original population into 100. And these values are computed for each known decade, and their average may be taken as the assumed growth rate. Then again the average may again be either the arithmetic average or the geometric average. In case of arithmetic average, R equal to R1 plus R2 plus etc. RT divided by T, and in case of geometric average, R equal to teeth root of R1 into R2 into R3 into etc. RT, where R1, R2, R3 etc. are the percentage increase in population, and T is the number of percentage increase in population. And the design engineers in the field generally consider the arithmetic mean because it is slightly higher than the geometric mean. Then problem. The population of 5 decades from 1930 to 1970 are given below. Find out the population after 1, 2 and 3 decades beyond the last known decade by using the geometry increase method. അപ്പോൾ 1930 to 1970 പോപ്പുലേഷൻ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ട പോപ്പുലേഷൻ ആഫ്റ്റർ 1, 2 and 3 decades. അപ്പോൾ പോപ്പുലേഷൻ ഇയർ ആൻഡ് പോപ്പുലേഷൻ are given. Then year 1930 to 1970 population 25,000, 28,000, 34,000, 42,000 and 47,000. But for determining the population, future population by geometry increase method, first find out the increase in population. Arithmetic increase ചെയ്തത് മാതിരി increase in population കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക. increase in population എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് in 1930 population 25,000, 1940, 28,000. Then the increase in population is 28,000 minus 25,000. That is 3,000. Similarly, the increase in populations are 6,000, then 8,000 and 5,000. Next column, find out the percentage increase in population. Percentage increase in population equal to the equation increase in population divided by original population. In the first case, the increase in population is 3,000 divided by 25,000. It is expressed in terms of percentage into 100 equal to 12%. Then in the second case, the percentage increase in population equal to 6,000 divided by 28,000 into 100. Then the answer is 21.4%. Similarly, in the third case, the increase in population 8,000 and the original population 34,000. Then the increase in percentage increase in population equal to 8,000 divided by 34,000 into 100, that equal to 23.5%. Last, the percentage increase in population 11.9%. Then find out the growth rate. Then growth rate കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ നമ്മൾ ഇതിപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ കുറേ പോപ്പുലേഷൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇക്വേഷൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ഒന്നിൽ അരിത്തമെറ്റിക് ആവറേജ് എടുക്കണം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ജോമെട്രിക് ആവറേജ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ അരിത്തമെറ്റിക് ആവറേജ് വാല്യൂ വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ അരിത്തമെറ്റിക് അല്ല, ജോമെട്രിക് ആവറേജ് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പോൾ R equal to tth root of R1 into R2 into R3 into etc. RT. ഇനി tth റൂട്ട് T എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ഇൻക്രീസ് ഇൻ പോപ്പുലേഷൻ. ഇവിടെ ഇപ്പോൾ പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ഇൻക്രീസ് ഇൻ പോപ്പുലേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 4. 12%, 21.4, 23.5 ആൻഡ് 11.9. അപ്പോൾ T equal to 4. Then fourth root of R1, that is 12 into 21.4 into 23.5 into 11.9. That equal to 16.37%. Then the population after 1 decade, that is population after n decade equal to equation Pn is equal to P0 into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to n. So population after 1 decade is equal to P0, last known census population, that is 47,000 into 1 plus R 16.37 divided by 100 the whole raised to 1. N, the number of decades between 1970 and 1980. Then the population in 1980 equal to 54,694. Then population after 2 decade, that is population in 1990 equal to same equation, that is 47,000 into 1 plus 16.37 by 100 the whole raised to 2. 2 means the number of decades between 1970 and 1990. Then population that equal to 63,647. Then population after 3 decade, that is P2000 equal to 47,000 into 1 plus 16.37 by 100 the whole raised to 3. That equal to 74,066. Next problem. Compute the population of the year 2000 and 2006 for a city whose population in the year 1930 was 25,000 and in the year 1970 was 47,000. Make use of geometry increase method. അപ്പോൾ ഈ പ്രോബ്ലത്തിൽ 2 വർഷത്തെ പോപ്പുലേഷനെ തന്നിട്ടുള്ളൂ, 1930 ആൻഡ് 1970. We have to find out the population in 2000 and 2006. അപ്പോൾ 2 പോപ്പുലേഷൻ അറിയാമെങ്കിൽ R കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ട ഇക്വേഷൻ R equal to, that is R means the growth rate. R equal to tth root of P2 by P1 minus 1. In this case, P1 is 25,000 P2 47,000. Therefore, R equal to teeth root of. Teeth root means the number of decades between 1930 and 1970. That is 4. 40 years it is converted into decade. That is T equal to 4. Fourth root of 47,000 divided by 25,000 minus 1. R equal to, the answer is 17.095%. Then population in 2000 equal to P0 into 1 plus R by 100 the whole raised to N. P0 25,000 into 1 plus R 17.095 by 100 the whole raised to 3. 3 means number of decades between 1970 and 2000. 30 years. 30 years എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 3 decade. Equal to 75,459. Similarly, then population in 2006, that equal to teeth root of, P0 into P0 47,000 into 1 plus R 17.095 by 100 the whole raised to N. N means the number of decades between 1970 and 2006. അപ്പോൾ 1970 മുതൽ 2006 വരെ 36 ഇയേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. ആ 36 ഇയേഴ്സിന് ഡീക്കേഡിലോട്ട് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ദാറ്റ് ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ 36 ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ 10. അപ്പോൾ 3.6. അതിടുമ്പോൾ the answer is population in 2006 equal to 82,954.